Guys, if you're here, it means you want to drop out of college or high school. But before you do that, let me just break this down to you. So you're here to listen to a sugar-coated story about me dropping out of college. Let me give you the reality. So welcome to today's video, guys. My name is Miro Salim. I want to welcome you very, very warmly. And if you're here at this video today, you're considering of dropping out of college, dropping out of university, dropping out of high school even maybe. And I want to speak to you about that and why I think you shouldn't drop out. Because you're probably here because you want to hear another sugar-coated college dropout success story where somebody's making a bunch of money online. And let me just give you the hard facts. Let me give you the truth about what you really should do. So guys, a short story about myself. My name is Miro. Obviously, I'm a full-time entrepreneur. I run a marketing agency and I'm a full-time student as well. And matter of fact, I'm a business student. I study in Stockholm Business School. So I would be the right person to tell you whether you should go to college or not, or maybe if you should drop out because you have a business going for you. And guys, the reality is that it's really trendy to drop out of high school right now. Like I see so many young people, they drop out of college, they drop out of high school. Like it's like a trend. And to be honest, I don't know why. I don't know the cool thing about dropping out, because most people don't realize that dropping out can be really, really bad for you. But at the opposite, it can be beneficial as well. And today I want to break that down to you, like what you should do and should not do. So first of all, you guys, you need to understand, do you have something to lean back on? Like, do you have an income? Do you have a business? Do you have something solid, like a solid foundation to lean back on if you drop out of college? Because your parents or your family, they won't be there all your life. And too many people, the biggest problem I see, people drop out with the thoughts of becoming successful after they've dropped out. And life is not like that. You need to be smart, you need to be strategic. You don't drop out if you don't have a backup plan. And most people do. I see people dropping out without having a proper backup plan. Like they drop out and they go work at, I don't know, a supermarket or something. And that's not solid. That's not solid. Guys, what I'm saying is there's not one way to success. And I think most people are talking too much shit about college right now. And I'm the best example to speak upon college. I have a full-time business. I could drop out if I wanted to, and I could live on my business. Right now, I'm making well more than I'm making more than if I would have after my graduation and taking a job. I'm probably making more than some of my teachers. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying I can drop out, and most people would have dropped out in my situation. But I'm not dropping out because I realize there's not one way to success. You can become. My goal isn't to work as an economist or accountant or in the finance world. I study I'm in business school to learn the proper thinking of business, whether that's accounting or that's financial terms or that's networking, whatever, or if it's a backup plan. Like most people, I see so many entrepreneurs talking shit about college. Yeah, you shouldn't go. Business school sucks. And you ask them some financial terms of like some accounting terms. Hey, do you know what this is? And they're like, no. You can't have a business if you can't. You can't have a business if you don't understand the foundation of accounting, the foundation of financial terms. Like you gotta have a basic understanding. And as Snoop Dogg said, if you stop at general math, you only make general math money. And most dropouts, like they're starting their business or they already have a business going for them and they don't understand that the business is temporary. Like it can crash. Like what happens if a bear market comes, a market crash? Like if the market crashes, the economy like 2009 or 98, or what if the economy crashes? Tell me. What are you gonna do with your business making you $10,000 a month right now? That's not steady. You gotta be smart. And guys, you can drop out, but you gotta be careful. You gotta have a solid plan. I have a friend that dropped out of high school, and that guy had a solid plan, all right? Like, I'm not saying you shouldn't drop out. I'm saying consider it. Business school or college or university, it's not as bad as you think. Like, I know so much more about business than most 21-year-olds. You know why? Because I'm in business school. I understand inflation. I understand the market. I understand financial terms. I understand accounting. Like, when I sit with my accountant, I can do this shit myself. I understand it. I understand how taxes work. I understand the basics of VAT. It's important. It's important that you know that. And I'm not here to tell you whether you should drop out or not. I'm telling you there's not one way to success. You can get to success in several ways. And that's the moral of the story, guys. So before you drop out, just make sure you have a solid plan. Don't drop out to think you'll become successful after you've dropped out. No, you drop out with a serious plan on what you should do, or you have something to lean back towards. And that's it, guys. That's the moral of the story. And if you're new to this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button down below. I will have tons of more videos coming about business, about how I structure university and run a full-time marketing agency, how I run my marketing agency, how I get clients, everything, very nitty-gritty, in-depth information that you will love. So hit that subscribe button and let's build this tribe, guys. So see you at the next video. Peace.